Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Sally Shanmal here, and Arish and Hadi are just playing around. Hadi, where are you going? This is ALZRC Fast Devil 505. As I mentioned in Fast Devil 420 video, I did not want to fly them right now, but I just got the batteries, so I have to test the batteries and see how it goes. And for that purpose, I'm not gonna do any crazy stunts. I'm just gonna fly like a helicopter fly. Alright, so blades are a little loose, so I will pre-spin them. Pre-spin them, my words. That's how you start the engine. Big and sluggish is what I love at the moment, because 420 was really too agile, feeling really too agile. After a while of my flying, I gotta get used to this big drink again. I used to fly here with the ultimate confidence, but I gotta get back this confidence again. The deserts of UAE had made me lose my confidence, because there is no drink to lose your helicopter. You just crash it in the sand. Here you have many ways to kill your helicopter. Alright, let's fire up the pain. Sounds like a turbine. I just realized I had to set the engine, the RPM to high, 100%. In the middle throttle, the RPMs are cutting down and then coming up higher. I forgot to set that up. Batteries are okay, feel very good. I have plenty of power. We will see how long these batteries will survive actually. I think I'm really getting old. I just like to fly this nearby, nice and soft. I see an airplane in the skies. Alright, I'm gonna land it now. More people are coming. And as I mentioned, I need more stick time. Careful, Arish, don't go front side, okay?
I'm behind you.
Yes, always stay behind Baba. You wanna see drifting?
Okay.
Driving the helicopter. This is called driving the helicopter and cleaning the floor.
Not for me, landing. Whoa, super fast.
Picks up speed really quick, right?
And it turns so quick.
It's like a Ferrari in the air. Picks up the speed really quick.
No, it's like the fastest car in the world.
Awesome. I gotta get more stick time. Careful, don't go too close. Wait for the rotors to stop first. You know, this rotor, if it hits you, wherever it hits you, it will cut your flesh like hot knife put in the butter. Do you understand? So legs like yours, the small legs, it will just chop it off. So you have to be very, very careful with any kind of rotor that is spinning, okay? Until Baba says, okay, it's safe to go closer, don't ever go closer, okay? Now see, as soon as we land it, the first thing we need to do is disconnect the power after landing. Of course, waiting, your answer is right, wait until the propellers stop. And then disconnect the power. After disconnect the power, this is like a baby. It's not gonna hurt you anymore. Let's go home.
Yeah, how do you...
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.